hungover. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Vlogmas day 19. Oh my god, it is Vlogmas day 19. Wow, I'm hungover. I can barely drink my coffee, which really is saying something, but I have a really busy day today. So it is currently 9 o'clock. I woke up at 7:30. Washed my brushes, as you saw, because I've got a client this morning. She'll be here in about half an hour. I don't really do freelance makeup at all anymore, but it's a friend, so she's coming round. She's got a Christmas party, I think, tonight, so she's gonna pop round at 9:30 so she can get up to London for, like, I think it's a lunchtime thing. I'm gonna go get my nails done at 3:30, and then tonight I'm going to a pub quiz with my friends, so it should be a super fun day. I just imported the footage from yesterday and the vlog is very short, or there's only like 26 minutes of footage or something, which is usually on an average day for Vlogmas. I've had about an hour and a half of footage every day. 26 minutes. The end of yesterday I had a great day, but as you can probably tell from the vlog, missing that workout yesterday morning really spun me, like really put a dampener on my day. We managed to turn it around, but I really started my day in a bad way. Winter Wonderland was super fun. It was so nice to see Georgia, and it was really nice to meet all of Tim's work friends. I've never met any of them before because he's so new to the company, so we all went out for dinner and drinks, and I got really pissed. I got really pissed, so that's good. And also, you will have seen, oh my god, while we were at Winter Wonderland, my sofa arrived. They left it outside and it was pissing it down with rain, you guys. So Tim and I brought it in, pissed last night. We had a couple of casualties on the way, smashed a jug, but the sofa is here. My house now stinks of wet cardboard, but the sofa is here. I'll show you guys a little bit better later, because right now I really need to sort out my station. Hello everyone, I just finished doing Beth's makeup. She looks gorgeous, I'll show you it in a sec. Made her look festive, glam. I haven't done makeup on someone in so long, so it was really fun. Like literally, I took my sweet ass time because I was just really enjoying myself. Really need to sort out this sofa situation. Can't find the legs. Let me show you this glam queen. Oh, hi, honey. Oh my goodness.
Looks so good.
You look gorgeous.
Just looked in the mirror and I was like, who is this?
Close your eyes. Look at that green. Gorge. She looks stunning. Do you feel ready?
Nice. I do.
Ready?
I'm gonna turn up and no one's gonna recognise who I am.
For our office Christmas party.
That's glam, thank you so much.
You're so welcome. Right, I'm gonna shut you off now. So, today's taking an exciting turn. There's definitely a rodent in my house, and I've trapped it in a cupboard, and there's a rat catcher coming to my house. I'm meant to be going to get my nails done at 3:30, but they said they could come anytime between now and 6, which means I may have to cancel my nail appointment, and I think I have to pay for my nail appointment. Called out the rat catchers to come and get it, because my dad does have a catcher, like a mouse trap, but I don't want to do it myself, so I'm just bringing in the boys, bringing in the professionals to come and sort it out, because I don't want to hurt it. But it's not welcome here, it needs to leave. I can hear it scratching on the door. I still haven't seen it, but I can hear it. Definitely here. Look what just arrived. I recognise these two. These two actually crack me up. It's Citadel's Christmas card. That's so funny. And it says, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hope your 2020 is amazing as we are. Lots of love, Citadel. Cheers, girls. Merry Christmas. Just spoke to Mr. Ratman on the phone. He's on his way over now to come and rescue me. And it is 2:15, I'm finally eating my breakfast. Had to cancel my nail appointment. Nice little £20 cancellation fee there, but I'm gonna go tomorrow instead. It's been a few traumatizing hours since I last spoke to you. So I got the rat man round to come and assess. There is a rat. We know exactly what happened and how it got in. It literally ran in the front door, and it's in that cupboard. It is able to get out. There's a hole in the wall big enough for it to get out, which means it can run around any room in the house. He couldn't catch it. He then left. I'm now £100 out of pocket still with a rat in my house. So my dad has a humane rat trap, which I just went and picked up from his. I'm gonna set it up myself. I'm gonna try and catch it. I don't have any peanut butter, so Tim's gonna get some on the way home. And we're gonna try and catch this rat ourselves because the professional couldn't do it. Today's been really, really shit. I'm gonna set up my sofa bed with you guys. Let's go.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Ta-da! Just threw on some makeup. I'm probably just gonna wear this sweatshirt to the gym. To the gym? I'm definitely not going to the gym. I just need to put a bra on. But I'm just waiting for Tim. Oh, I didn't put brow gel. He's bringing me some peanut butter to put in the mouse trap. Mouse trap? Rat trap. So my day that was supposed to be really fun hasn't been so fun. I've had a really not a good day. There have been tears and rodents, and I can literally hear the rat now. I can hear it scratching on the door. Oh, I hate it. Basically, what happened? Let me explain how the rat got here. You know, the other day in the vlog, I was saying I was separating my recycling for ages. Not focusing. Let me see if you guys can hear the rat. Okay, the second I go over here, it stops making noise. Let me put you back down on your little perch. The other day when I was going through my recycling bins, I was out there for literally, like I said, half an hour, and I left the front door open. And there was like 10 bags of rubbish outside my front door, like I said in the vlog. And I think that the rat was either in one of the bags or just around the bags, and or at least attracted to the bags. So it then, when I left the door open, unattended for like half an hour while I was, because my bins are about 100 meters away from my front door, while I was doing the bins, it ran in my house and it found a hole in the wall, and it's now in my ceiling. So it's not like I've got like a rat infestation or like a rat's nest or anything like that. It's just one rat that got in my house that I now need to get rid of. And I hate it. Not fun. Not a fun way to spend my day. But I did reschedule my nail appointment for tomorrow. And I did set up the sofa I showed you guys. Look at that. I love the clashing pink and orange. And then with the leopard print. Oh my god, it's just such a vibe in here. I want to get a big walnut mirror there, I think. I didn't do my advent calendar yesterday. We have a protective care hand cream. Oh, a little mini Nivea cream. That's actually quite handy to have in your bag. Oh, it's a mini Dr. Pawpaw. I really like this. I like that balm. This is the Avant Hyaluronic Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream. That's up my street. Can you believe how close we are to Christmas? It's actually crazy. Where's my camera? I'm holding my camera. Wow, I'm really not in a good way today. I set the trap. Hopefully it catches it overnight. I put peanut butter in it. I hope it works, because I want to be able to walk around my house again. Now we're walking to the pub to meet our friends to go and do the pub quiz. It will be a nice evening, and I'm gonna have 3 double vodkas, or maybe just a 6-shot single vodka. Maybe I'll just get a half pint of vodka. It's fine, I could use that right now.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way, and oh, this
Not going very well. I think we're gonna lose. He just came round to basically, he made the conscious effort to tell us that we haven't done well. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
In no particular order.
First place.
By that I mean lowest score first.
Yeah! Woo!
Thank you, Spookers.
Lowest score, everybody!
Out of 75,
That makes it so much worse.
you may surprise yourself.
No, I don't think we will.
29.
27.
Yay! 27 out of 75.
Last place.
Then
So bad. 1 brain against 5 and he beat us by 1 point. Sorry, Pa.
Goes up to
Cheese.
80.
Sorry, Pa. My dad just called to ask. So basically, my dad does this quiz every week. Him and his friends are doing something else tonight, so they missed the quiz. So they asked me to get some friends together to basically take their team name and be them tonight. And we literally lost. So, sorry, Pa. We lost it for you there, mate. I've set up the rice trap. I've set up the rat trap. So, hopefully it's there in the morning. I'm gonna go to bed now. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Good night.